In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Close CRM. Sending emails through Close CRM is an efficient way to manage your communications directly within the platform. Let's walk through the process, step by step, so you can seamlessly integrate this task into your workflow. First, let's navigate to the lead or contact you want to email. Start by accessing your pipeline or contact list within Close CRM. Scroll through your options until you find the specific lead or contact you need to reach out to. Once you've located them, click on their name to open their detailed contact page. This is where you'll manage all interactions and see the broader picture of your ongoing relationship. Now that you're on the contact page, it's time to open the email composer. Look for the email icon at the top of this page. It's designed to be easily accessible, reflecting the importance of quick communication in maintaining strong client relations. Clicking this icon will prompt the email composer to appear, and it will automatically set the recipient to the primary email address associated with the chosen lead or contact. This step ensures you're contacting them through their most reliable method. Next comes the crucial part, composing your email. Start by entering a compelling subject line. A strong subject helps ensure your email stands out in their inbox. Then, move on to crafting the body of your message. This space allows for rich formatting options, such as bolding text, adding hyperlinks, and much more, ensuring your message is clear and engaging. If you have any pertinent documents or images to include, you can easily attach them by clicking on the paperclip icon. Select your files and make sure they're correctly attached. This feature is particularly useful for sending proposals, reports, or other significant documents directly alongside your message. After perfecting your message, it's time to decide how and when to send it. If you're ready to send the email immediately, simply click the Send button. Your email will be on its way in no time. However, if you'd prefer your message to go out at a later, more strategic time, Close CRM offers a handy scheduling feature. To access this, click on the Send Later option. This will open up a menu where you can select the exact date and time you want your email to be sent. Scheduling emails can be particularly advantageous for timing messages to hit inboxes at optimal times or aligning with specific campaign strategies. And there you have it, a straightforward process to manage your communications more effectively with Close CRM's email capabilities. Whether you're sending an email right away or scheduling it for the future, this tool helps ensure you stay connected and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your daily CRM tasks.